the new normal around here when packages come. So we've got our knife, our Lysol, and our wet wipe. We don't want to get any germs in the house, so we are gonna spray stuff down. So that we can work with it. We've got a young lady in the house with medical conditions, and we do not want her coming in contact with corona. So we open everything outside. We try to sanitize it all before we take it in the house. All right, pretty safe to say that inside here I won't need to sanitize. I did touch that. We're good. Trash. And let's cut this one open. All right. Trash. Let's go ahead and sanitize this thing in case anybody touched it. And then let's unbag this one. Use the wet wipe. Pull it out with clothing. Put it inside. Use the wet wipe again. And now all the garbage, well, the wire. So we sanitize the wire. Clean it up. And this has been sanitized, so we'll take it in. The rest of this stuff is now trash for us. It gets packaged up. We'll clean the door handle with Lysol and use the wet wipe. It's a Lysol coated wet wipe. Now we got to get rid of the gloves. And the rest of this, well, I'll have to sanitize my hands. The rest of this is trash. Goes straight in the truck to go to the landfill. And that is how the new normal for opening packages around here today.